In this video, I will show you how to download Janitor AI on Android. So, to get started, go ahead and open your browser. So, Janitor AI is actually a website that you can access, which will allow you to actually chat with characters on the website. So to be able to actually install Janitor AI, you need to go ahead and open Softonic. So this website will allow you to look for the APK version of Janitor AI. So you need to download this APK version of Janitor AI, and then once you have installed or downloaded it into your local device, you can go ahead and open your file manager, click on the APK file, and then start the installation. So installing this will actually require you to enable unknown apps into your device. And that is how you can basically download Janitor AI on Android.